How's it going, everyone? Skipper VR here. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and today we're going to be reviewing these hand straps from none other than Kiwi Design. I was going to do this video on camera, but the footage got corrupted, but the only thing that I could salvage was the part where I put the things together, so at least we have that. So I'm just going to talk about this with you guys over voiceover, but this is a nice chance to test out this new microphone I got. So what do you think down in the comments below? Before we get into it, if you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome VR content coming up in the future, and we're also doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So these hand straps are quite nice. They resemble the Valve Index knuckles quite a lot, and I think that is what they were going for. You're able to slide your hands in and then tighten it, and then you're able to completely let go of the controllers without them dropping, which is just amazing. They are a little snug, but that isn't a problem whatsoever. They also come with these amazing silicone covers for the Quest 2 rings themselves, which are just amazing. They don't mess with the tracking at all, which I really thought they would, and it's so nice feeling where it feels like you can just slam the controllers together and nothing will go wrong. Another amazing thing about these controllers is that it added a little bit of length to the actual controllers themselves, like 1.5 inches, so if you're playing Beat Saber, it can really improve the whole experience, and maybe even help you improve. Spending many hours with these controllers all across different kinds of games, I can definitely say that these are a lot better in social VR games because it really just improves the experience all around and just makes it a lot more immersive. While games like fitness games or Beat Saber, they can be a little bit heavy and can tire you out a little bit quicker, which I know that's the case for me. It might be different for everybody, but it just made my arms a little bit more tired. Definitely using it for Beat Saber was a little bit rough to get used to, but now I can do it no problem. Another annoying thing is that whenever you're playing with it, the things that you can use to tighten the grips kind of hits your hands whenever you're swinging your hands around, which is also a little bit annoying, but not a problem. The only other bad thing about this is the fact that the silicone part next to the grip button can kind of press down the grip button so it doesn't look like you're actually holding your hand out or like waving or something whenever you're trying to do that in a game, which is a little annoying, but you just have to adjust it and it'll go away. Alright, so that's every negative out of the way, so really quickly I'm going to show you guys how to do this on camera because that's the only thing I got out of all the footage, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so first things first, you're going to have to take the battery door off, which is kind of difficult. There we go, like that. And then they say to take out the battery, but I think that part is really just optional. The first time I did it, I didn't take out the battery and everything was fine. So then the next step, what you're going to want to do is just slide it in there like so, which is not too hard. Make sure you got it in there correctly. And pull it up, just adjust it like this. There we go, looks about right. And then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and connect these two parts, which isn't too bad. They do come undone, so just make sure you got it on there nice and snug. And then this would be the part where you open up the battery door and put the battery back inside, but there's not really a need for that. And then what you're going to want to do is grab this and then just simply put it around like that and make sure it's even on each side. And then boom, that's pretty much it. You're ready to play. So yeah, in conclusion, these things are amazing. They're really easy to set up, but there are a few steps. The grips are just amazing and it holds your hands really snug, so you're able to let go of the controllers, which is awesome. The silicone covers for the rings are one of the best parts about it and makes it a lot more durable, even more durable than the Quest 2 controllers already are. There are a few things that are a little annoying, like the fact that they can get a little bit heavy, but besides that, it's amazing. I would totally recommend these to anybody trying to improve their Oculus Quest 2 setup, but please note if you do have an Anchor charger, these things do not work, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, briefly summed up, these things are amazing. They're just like the Valve Index controllers, but with a few flaws. Thank you so much to Kiwi Design for reaching out to me to review these on the channel. I really enjoyed them and I would love to work with them again in the future. If you would like to purchase one of these for yourselves, I'll link the Amazon link down in the description. Have an absolutely amazing day, have fun exploring that virtual world, and as always, take care.